2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 cars. Now, how many Smurfs do you think I have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 cars and 4 Smurfs make 10. I have 2 cars. How many more do I need to make 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 2 equals 10. La 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 poo.